Hi friends! Today I'll tell you a short story with an important lesson. After the story, I'll ask you a few questions. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quiet town, there lived a kind boy named Tom. One afternoon, Tom was walking home from school when he saw a little puppy stuck in a fence. The puppy was crying and couldn't get out. Tom quickly ran to help, gently pulled the puppy free, and gave it some water. The puppy wagged its tail and followed Tom all the way home. From that day, Tom and the puppy became best friends. A few months later, something unexpected happened. One night, while Tom was walking home, a group of robbers tried to attack him. Just when Tom was scared, the puppy, now grown into a strong dog, jumped forward and barked loudly. The robbers got frightened and ran away. Tom hugged his dog and said, "You are not just my pet, you are my hero and my best friend." Question number 1. What did Tom see stuck in the fence? Answer: Tom saw a puppy stuck in the fence. Question number 2. What did Tom give the puppy after rescuing it? Answer: Tom gave the puppy some water. Question number 3. Who attacked Tom one night? Answer: a group of robbers attacked Tom. Question number 4. Who saved Tom from the robbers? Answer: Tom's dog saved him. Question number 5. What lesson do you learn from this story? We learned that kindness creates true friendship, and friendship gives us protection and love. So friends, did you enjoy this story? Don't forget to answer in the comments. And remember, listening to stories like this not only entertains you, it also improves your English knowledge.